Hello children, today we discuss about more three properties of multiplication. So children, kindly open your book, page number 32. Last class we discussed about closure property, commutative property and associative property of multiplication. Now we will learn about multiplicative property of 1, multiplicative property of 0, then distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. So children, first you see multiplicative property of 1. Children, you know, if you multiply any number with 1, the product will be the same number or the number itself. Here also in whole number case, if we multiply any whole number with 1, the product will be the same number. See, two examples are given. 4987 multiply 1 equal to 4987. Same number you will get. In symbolically we can write like this: m multiply 1 equal to 1 multiply a equal to a, where a is any whole number. Then this box is important. 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Children, you remember this sentence. Then second property is what? Multiplicative property of 0. Children, if you multiply any number with 0, then the result will be 0. Here examples are given. If you multiply 326 multiply 0 equal to 0 you get. So in symbolically we can write like this: m multiply 0 equal to 0 multiply a equal to 0, where a is any whole number. Here it is written, we cannot divide a number by 0. This sentence also you remind. We cannot divide a number by 0. Then last properties is what? Distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Here both addition and subtraction we will discuss about this property. So first one is about addition and second one is about subtraction. See a bit: 3 multiply whole bracket 2 plus 4 and 3 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 4. Here it is written distributive, means distribution of number. Here we distribute these 2 and 4. First you multiply 3 with 2, then you multiply 3 with 4. See, 3 multiply 2. 3 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 4. Then second one is about subtraction. 25 multiply whole bracket 12 minus 2. If we distribute these two numbers like this, we write 25 multiply 12 minus 25 multiply 2. So like this we apply distributive property. If we simplify these two bits, see the results. 3 multiply whole bracket 2 plus 4 means first you solve this part, then you solve this part. First part result is 18 and second part result is also 18. So the results are same, means 3 multiply 2 plus 4 whole bracket equal to 3 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 4. Second bit also same. Here also two results are same. Here also 250. Here also 250. So both sides are same. So 25 multiply whole bracket 12 minus 2 equal to 25 multiply 12 minus 25 multiply 2. Here one bracket is given, children. When you solve this part, let's see. First you solve the bracket part, means first you add 2 plus 4 means 6, then you multiply with 3. Clear? Then here two rules are given. A multiply whole bracket b plus c equal to m multiply b plus m multiply c according to the distributive property, which is known as distributive property of multiplication over addition, because we do here addition. Then second bit is about subtraction. A multiply b minus c whole bracket equal to a multiply b minus a multiply c, which is known as distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, because we do here subtraction. So clear about these three properties: multiplicative property of 1, then multiplicative property of 0, then distributive property. So children, again you see the rules properly and try to do yourself more examples, then you will clear about these properties. Thank you.